You don't know, this is your girl Rakisha representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Records. You have to tell you, say, I have a bad rhythm out called At Ice Rhythm. I have a song on it like Where Are You Jaja from Lady Soul. Girl, come on, bad, my bad so from Simple. And one next song left on it called Dress Code from Rachapo. Yes, everybody wants to go check it out on Apple Music and Spotify. At Rhythm out, At Ice Rhythm. Yeah, you don't know. One Bad Bigs Entertainment Records.
Yeah, brother, don't say I just fully out there, man. I represent for Bad Bigs Entertainment Promotion. The wickedest film, I understand. I don't want anything shoot, I don't know if I link up. Walk with the Jericho, we kill and make it bust. Mad.
Actually, no start another play. One play in the game I want to represent for Bad Bigs Entertainment. For the girl, come on, be Tony on the way.
Check 1 3, this is as the lineage, and right now I represent Bad Bigs Entertainment. You hear me? Keep it like say, Rasta only story that you sound system. Line out.
Please. Yes, thank you. Which is currently being executed by one of their agencies, the JCDC, who is actually celebrating 60 years this year. So JCDC, big up yourself. And we are here to have an amazing time tonight. Now, this would not be possible without all our sponsors. And I did mention our lead sponsor, Ray and Nephew, and they'll actually be bringing us the spirit of reggae for the next 3 years. So give them a round of applause too. Thank you so much as well to the Chase Fund, the Tourism Enhancement Fund, the Jamaica Tourist Board, the Creative Production and Training Center, CPTC, the Universal Service Fund, USF, and of course all our media partners who have joined us here. And for those who, couldn't make it tonight physically, thank you to those who joined us virtually on YouTube, and you'll be streaming with us. You've joined us wherever you are in the world. So big up yourself, and we're gonna have an amazing night tonight. Now, are you ready for showtime, people? Now, I know I'm going to have some singers on the stage, but do I have any singers in the crowd? I have singers in the crowd too? Because we have a few competitions going on, I don't know about the festival song competition? Yes, we're currently accepting entries right now. We have any beauty queens in the house? Anybody want to enter the Jamaica Festival Queen competition? And anybody love gospel? Yes, we also have the Gospel Star competition, so we're accepting all those entries right now, but a little bit later on, I will find out if I have any superstars in the crowd. But if you're ready for showtime, say showtime. You ready for showtime? Say showtime. It sounds like you are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, my first reggae artist to grace the stage. She has a medical background, but her love for music, it just tops it all. I'm talking about a young upcoming artist. She is beautiful, she is talented, and I want you to show her some love. She actually gained recognition during the pandemic, and she's gonna sing for you tonight. So, RANNY Williams Entertainment Center, please put your hands together for Araya!
Good night, everybody. I'm so honored to see you tonight supporting our Reggae Month. And I'm so honored to be able to sing for you tonight. I want to share my single with you from my album called The Chronicles of Love. This single is called Pendulum. And it's when a woman is in a relationship and she doesn't know what her boyfriend is up to. Like he's swinging her back and forth like a pendulum. And she's saying, I'm not having it. Take it away, please. We should talk. I really want to know where I stand, where you stand. Is this real? Is it me? Well, let me know. You've got my heart quaking, soul aching, thoughts breaking, mind filled with thoughts. You swing me back and forth. You give me no reason. You hide your feelings. You keep coming around asking for more, but I am not your pendulum. So here I did. If it's me, then let me know. If it's real, then let me know. And is this real? And is it me? As if it's me, then let me know. If it's real, then let me know. And is declare your feelings. Don't keep me swinging. Your fears are blinding you. If your heart don't watch me walk, then watch me walk away. If it's real, then let me know. And is it real? And is it me? If it's me, then let me know. And if it's real, then let me know. And is it real? Is it me? Is it me? Play me hot like boom, boom, boom. Play me hot like boom, boom, boom. But I need you to know that I'm not your pendulum. I am not your pendulum. So don't swing me back and forth. Cause I am not your pendulum. No, I am not your pendulum. No, I am not your pendulum. So don't swing me back and forth. Cause I am not your pendulum. So here again, if it's me, then let me know. And if it's real, then let me know. Is this real? And is it me? And if it's me, then let me know. If it's real, then let me know. And is this real? Is it me? Is it me? You play me hot like boom, boom, boom. 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 Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let me hear you. That's my single pendulum for my album, The Chronicles of Love. You can find me if you made a recording. Please tag me at Araya Hope. Thank you for being here tonight and have a wonderful night.
Make some noise for Araya! Wasn't she amazing, Ranny Williams? She sounded so awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing her on even bigger stages soon, right? All right, so my next special guest is a rising star, and he actually says he draws his inspiration from Romain Virgo. He's a singer, he produces some music, and he even had an amazing stand-up performance in 2023 on the Rebel Salute stage. Are you ready? Come on, man, enough to show him some love, you know, can say? He wants some nice excitement and some energy. Ranny Williams, are you ready? Yeah. He was actually discovered by Jack Scorpio, and he is ready to hit those big stages. So put your hands together and make some noise for Kevoy Clarke.
Listen to me now, baby. Girl, you're mine. Run it. rhythm. Lately, I've had you on my mind. Who you're making my head go wild. Who the loving you give to me, yeah. Ooh, girl, I need your company, oh, let me love you all night, yes. Let's make love on the floor tonight. Let's me love you all night, yeah. Let's make love on the floor tonight. Listen to me, baby, let me give you all this loving. Oh, please don't break my heart, cause I know my mind can go crazy. Oh, baby, what have you done to me? Ooh, let's give you some good love and let me love you all night, yes. Let's make love on the floor tonight. Let me hear it. Let's me love you all night. Let's make love on the floor tonight, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. This was actually one of my original. Hope y'all enjoy. Thank y'all for having me. Let me love you all night, yeah. Let's make love on the floor, baby. Let's make love on the floor tonight. I want to teach you this lyrics. Let me love you all night, yes. Let's make love on the floor tonight. Thank you. Ooh, baby.
Kevoy Clarke. If you love how Kevoy sound, I want to hear you make some noise, Ranny Williams. So amazing, so soulful. Oh my goodness. And this is the next generation of our reggae artists. The future look bright, don't? Yeah. Oh, absolutely awesome. Kevoy Clarke, big up yourself. We have to big up our sponsors one more time. Thank you so much to Ray and Nephew, the Culture, Health, Arts, Sports and Education Fund, the Chase Fund, the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, the Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, the Creative Production and Training Center, CPTC, the Universal Service Fund, USF, and of course all our media partners as well. Thank you so much for coming on board, for making Reggae Month what it is. And I mean, we're celebrating 16 years this year. That's absolutely amazing. And I'm sure we want to celebrate reggae music and just the impact of it, not only right here in Jamaica, but all over the world for many, many years to come. So thank you so much for helping us to bring this to life for such a long time. Now, I told you about a few of our competitions earlier. And of course, we do have the Jamaica Festival Song Competition, and we're accepting entries until March 15. For the Festival Queen Competition, you can enter up until February 15. And of course, for the Gospel Star Competition, you have until March 29 to send in those entries, all right? Now, of course, I know that you saw a big truck outside with music. What else is happening in Reggae Month? Ah, heard it right there. We have Dancehall Week happening, and it actually started the 13th of February, which was just, what, about Tuesday? And everything will end on Monday, which is the 19th. But we do have an amazing an amazing road march that will be taking place on Sunday, and things start right here at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center, and then it will culminate at the stadium. So we'll be walking all around Kingston. Of course, you can still get your costumes if you're interested in that. You can hit the streets and you can celebrate dancehall music in fine style. Of course, we do have I Love Dancehall taking place as well tonight. So if you want to, you can head on over to there once you leave here. You enjoy your reggae music, and you can still go to I Love Dancehall tonight as well. Now the Prophecy Band is setting up. You guys are ready? We're almost ready for you. But we have some amazing entertainers ready to take the stage. When you're ready to blaze it up? Want to know who may I talk about now? Who is here to see Rasai? Yeah? What about... Do I have any Andrew Tosh fans in the building? Yes? What about the fireman himself? Yeah, we're going to blaze a fire, we're going to burn down in a good way. Burn down Ranny Williams Entertainment Center tonight. And it's going to be amazing because we're celebrating reggae music. Of course, we do have a few other things taking place in February right here. Oh, Prophecy, so okay. Yes. So in addition to I Love Dancehall, which is at National Stadium, I told you about the street parade. We actually do have the Reggae Gold Awards taking place and reception, which is at the end of the month. So after we've had all the festivities, all the niceness, all the concerts, all the parade and everything, we actually close things out with the Reggae Gold Awards and reception on Thursday, February 29th, right here as well. So you're all free, you know, to come on and celebrate reggae some more. And then, I know that we're in the digital stage and age of things. Everybody have a smartphone, or you have a Samsung or Apple? Something, yeah? You have something where you use data, right? I want you to download the Reggae Jamaica app. So let me tell you about the Reggae Jamaica app. And if it is that you have any kind of smartphone or kind of device, well, them tell me say I need to hand things over to the Prophecy Band now. So I'm going to tell you about that a little bit later on. So are we ready for some more entertainment? Alrighty. Now my next singer who will be gracing the stage is actually from St. Anne, and she intends to make her mark in the gospel and also the reggae scene. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Angel Eyes. Put your hands together, make her feel welcome, Ranny Williams.
Never give up on your praise. Don't give up on your praise. When the world is against you and feel all hell is raising, don't give up on your praise. Are you feeling, people? Yeah. God bless you, God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for the blessing, God. You're more than a messenger. To me, you're the best messenger. I give you praise. youth them now want no mess. Everywhere me turn is another bloodshed. Yo, me can't believe look who wife look up murder and no father around the liver that she works. No encouragement for the youth them. Load the gun thing and walk the right way. You was at that COVID-19. All walk one who still a take life. Who was at that COVID-19. To the pandemic it creates urgency. You was at that COVID-19. Why are we? Hey, COVID-19. I'm gonna say I lose the life over there. I lose a piece of my heart. Who do I represent right now? How you feeling? I tell them to say. If they use them, tell them the truth then. Oh yeah, yeah. I tell them the world. We need more love in our hearts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I pick you up whenever you fall. Oh, punch and lift me up. But that race of them run so fast. Turning nations, so we have to work hard. Marcus Garvey and Alcalabar. Believe in yourself, you will reach far. Persevere, one day superstar. Give thanks to God, no matter how we look small. For each other is the best hand. Hearts are love, we don't want people. Hearts are love, no need no world. We need more love in our hearts. I pick you up whenever you fall. Oh, punch and lift me up. In my heart I feel the pain. People that's a puzzle that are like rain. Don't knock one, them are get insane. We need to love each other again. We are having you so one and all. Only 16, you're not ready to fall. Education better than 50 years. You see me little brother, you are in the big world. I tell love and need no world. We need more love in our hearts. I pick you up whenever you go. Oh, punch and lift me up because I tell love and need no world. I tell love and need no world. Hey, number, this is Angel Eyes. Because this man is Ortiz and the whole team, you don't know. Was nice being here. Big up on the surf people.